Good day mga sano. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Marco Polo Hotel, parking only. Kasi merong market day dito mga sano. It's market day dito sa Marco Polo Hotel, parking. Ayun, yung mga pulang mga pulang tent. So silipin natin kung ano mayroon doon. Yan, Marco Polo. Ayan. Maraming ang tinda dito kung ano-ano. Maraming tinda dito mga sano, kaso may music. Ayan. Ayan kung ano-ano. Look at here, there are baskets here. Morning. Locally made? Locally made? Oh, that's nice. Putyukan wild honey. Toyok sako. Put it on properly. So bisitahin nyo dito mga sano sa Marco Polo parking para makapili kayo ng mga different product, vegetables, fruits, local delicacies, some are handicrafts, mayroon. So of course fresh up to 2 o'clock lang to, alas 2 lang ng hapon. Coconut vinegar. Tableya. So may tableya dito.
Okay.
Excuse me, local product sir?
Yes.
Local. Cebu.
From Mindanao.
Mindanao.
The farm is in Mindanao. Yes.
Thank you. Mayroon
We sell chocolate bars as well.
Chocolate
also sell
bars.
gift boxes, perfect for Christmas. So it comes with among 160 grams na tableya and the traditional batirol.
Batirol o Polonio.
This is 388. Kaya paghihin mo sa batirol sir.
Pangregalo.
Ayan, naman siya i-libon-libon. So, ayun na siya i-wrap na. Okay na siya. So, choose because of color. So, ayun naman. Pag may cacao tea, this is a chocolate tea.
Sugar free.
Sugar free.
Okay, good.
No sugar.
Yes.
If you want to try, kailangan mo try. Pero,
No, it's okay sir.
init.
Excuse ma. Sir, thank you sir. Excuse sir. Ha? Yeah, tea. Wala.
Please smell.
So let's try the tableya tea. So it's nice product.
Chocolate bars with milk.
So sugar free. So wala, no worries. No worries.
Plain is 95 pesos. Locally made.
Here, Jing. He loves your bread.
Peppermint tea. Wow. Peppermint tea mga sano. And the donut. Local delicacy. Locally made. Locally made.
Locally made, yeah.
Yes. So good. Thank you, ma'am.
Bubble, it's like it's got weight, it's dense.
Oh, there's coffee here. Yes. Local coffee.
The alcoholic ice cream sila dito lang ka flavors eh. Best seller na tong month's life.
So visit Marco Polo parking lot for different products, local products and local delicacies, and also handicrafts. Yes. Teto ako.
Yeah, yung nandun.
So here, food park, food area. So dito pagkainan mga sano. Ooh. This, I think this is roasted beef. Roasted beef?
No, smoke.
Smoke. Sorry. Smoked beef. Wow. Here at Marco Polo parking area. Look at that.
Ilan yun? Ilang kilo yung ano?
Kanina. Ano po? 1,200.
Look at the.
Yung mga ganun siguro.
How much per kilo here?
230 per 100 grams.
230 per 100 grams mga sano. Here, look at that. Smoked beef. I thought it's roast beef. It's smoked beef.
Smoke barbecue.
Smoked barbecue. Thank you. And Japanese takoyaki. So, beef and rice. Vietnamese roll, mango sticky rice. So, combo meal. Good morning, ma'am. So, it's combo meal here with rice.
No.
And then-
Fried rice, sir.
Beef. Oh, there.
And then mango sticky rice.
Wow. So, sa mga nakapanood ng video, visit Marco Polo parking lot every Saturday 8 to 2 p.m. Thank you. Smoke and grill. So ito yung mga products, may dried fish, different dried fish, squid. And what's this? Atsara. Oh, atsara. Tanggal umay. Saka mayroong mga kakanin. Yes. Thank you. So ito naman si Sir Beef Stroganoff. Wow, kalyos. Oh. Yayamanin. Yan. And look at that. Look at the stickiness or yung consistency ng ano. At saka itong stroganoff.
With mushroom.
With rice na yan.
Yes.
So it's a combo meal mga sano. So visit here. Sige, ito isa pa.
Sige. Thank you, sir.
And pizza, of course. Oh, there, ito maganda. Maganda pag video nito kasi mayroong display. So pwedeng, ito.
It can be a slice, tapos pwede din siyang whole.
Yes, pwedeng per slice. And pwede ring buo.
Yeah. Pwede din if you want two types of flavors, you have isa.
Pwede rin mix.
Mm-hmm.
Pero,
It's freshly made.
yes.
So you can even watch our chef make it right now.
Yes, so pwede dito mga ano na half, pwede dalawang flavor.
Yes.
Yes, nice. So again, here at Marco Polo parking lot from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. every Saturday. Ma'am. And wow, this is Valenciana or
Valenciana.
Yes.
Valenciana. I mean free taste.
Okay na, thank you sir. Wow, thank you. So may free taste sila. So sa mga gusto ng Valenciana paella. Thank you sir. Here at Marco Polo parking lot every 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. Saturday, every Saturday. So Saturday lang sila. I smell Indian. So Indian fusion here at Marco Polo parking lot every Saturday. So visit here. My first impression Malaysian fusion, but it's Indian actually. It's curry, of course. Curry. A lot of curry.
No spicy, mild spicy,
Oh, it's Chef Arifa.
and the gun sauce.
Yeah. Good morning, Chef Arifa. Original, this is imported from India.
Okay, ma'am. Your is
So,
I will
Indian fusion. So visit mga sano.
But there's beef stroganoff for lunch
Yeah.
for Marcos ba?
Yeah. Hi babe. Are you enjoying?
I got a donut.
No, it's okay. No. I'm just Are you enjoying, babe?
I got donut and
Donut
I got
and?
chocolate.
Oh, you got chocolate?
Yeah.
And I got sweat.
I got
And this is taco. It's raining taco. Good morning. Babe, do you have taco? It's raining taco. What's your product? Come on, read it.
pickled onions.
Yeah, so visit here. Again, here at Marco Polo parking lot. There's the hotel. And here's the parking lot. Every Saturday, 8 to 2 p.m. So sulit dito mga sano, bisitahin nyo. See? So ayun mga sano. Yan yung kuha natin dito sa Marco Polo Hotel parking lot. So very convenient and very accessible. So kung aga-agahan nyo ng konti, wala kayong problema sa parking. So much better early. So again, iba't ibang food dito, local delicacies, and meron ding handicrafts. And then gaya nito. So thank you very much. Happy weekend and to God be the glory.